we all student, and now this time we are discussing about our topic success, and you are student, you are MPSC student, and now this time we all want success, because you know hard work, because you are a student of MPSC class. So now this time we are doing hard work. That time you will be successful. But now this time we are speaking here because we are doing very hard work before past time. That's why now this time we will speak in front of us, and our topic is why is success important, or reading or writing. So I'm also student, and reading and writing both are important having in life, because we are going to school, college. That time our teachers ask that question, you are reading or writing. That time we like all things. So what will you say about this?
Yes, I totally appreciate with you. So firstly, I introduce myself. My name is Kiran Shivadi Karsel. I am learning in 8th class. I am also a current student of ADSR Easy English classes. So today's our topic is why is success important, and reading or writing also. So by then, now I tell you something about the success. If we achieve success, so it is helpful for us. If we achieve success, so we don't depend on anybody. That if a person is 18 to 19 years, so their parents says that you have a very big responsibility to handle your house. So it is a very hard time for that student. So if you do study perfectly, so this time you don't have any problem, and if you do study, so it is beneficial for your future also, and you are if you don't so you don't depend on anybody. And the benefits of reading and writing is that the benefits of reading, that if you read, so you get your reading skill are also improved, your vocabulary is also improved. If you read, that if you know betterly the topic, and you just learn the topic perfectly. And if you write, so your writing skill is improved, your handwriting is very good. In our class, that if a student has a good handwriting, teacher give more value to it. So I will say, yeah, I'm totally agree. Firstly, I introduce myself, Sakshi, and now we are discussing on our topic, which is the why success important, and also the reading and writing. These three questions are related to each other. Just we know we are the student in our life. The success is also important, the reading and writing. That three questions is important in everybody's life. Everyone is present here. Everyone have a one type of dream. Everyone have a one type of goal. For me, we have to success in our life. Means success is important not only in our life, but also in everybody's life. If we have to achieve our goals, if we have to achieve our dreams, at that time the success is important. If we have to success in our life, we have to do study. If we have to take the one good and best education. If we do perfect in that thing, at that time we can must achieve our success. So what can you say about?
Yes, I am totally appreciate with you, Mukti. Firstly, introduce myself. My name is Vedika Jadhav, and I am also studying in 8th class, and I am also current student of ADSR Easy English. Firstly, I can thank you, sir, for giving us wonderful opportunity for speaking in front of you. This question is that why is important of success as well as reading or writing. You know that success is most important. What do you mean by success? Now this time we are doing a study for preparing any goal. Everyone have some goal. That same we get a success. We get success. We are so happy for getting us. We get success now in our life. For getting a success, we do more and more practice. And now this time reading and writing is also important in student life. Reading and writing is most important. Now this time in first class we also learn reading and writing. Now teacher tell us write ABCD and so on. That time we improve our writing. Now this time in our after 12 our reading and writing also important. And every student like success is that is that important, because we have some goal. For prepare this getting success is most important.
So I am totally agree with you. You said just now
person, so you give your time here and do study. So means at that time the smart work and the hard work are two is important. Means also the writing and reading. Means if we are giving the exam of anything, then at that time if our writing is good, at that time we can get the good marks, and also the reading is important. Our reading is important.
Yes, day by day, challenges is born and increasing in our life. So now this time, reading and writing is important because she said that our parents tell us she do also writing. So, but this is not important because we also writing or reading, and this is two work done with the help of our mind.
You know, before you are doing practice and after you will.
Yes, this time practice is important because we write day by day. Yes, because we write day by day, our handwriting improve.
And our reading skill are also improved. If we do study, so if you do study has a three advantages, which is ask our questions, that if we do study, our reading skill improve, our writing skill improve, and we get success.
Yes, study have more advantage.
You are reading after 2 days and after 1 2 days you are writing. That's time our mind
Means
says
if we-
that is the answer of the question.
Means if we write and we read that properly, at that time we can means if we read that properly, at that time we can learn that and we can write that easily in the exam. Means is that
Our mind is printed this answer because our writing someday and after it will be write on this paper. That's why
Yes,
our
in
mind
exam
says-
writing is most important because sometimes sir checks paper, that time writing is also wrong and bad. So this time this is not beneficial for us, and for this getting success and for improve our writing and reading skill, practice is most important. You know that practice makes perfect. Yes, this is important because in our daily life we say this sentence and motive that sentence because
Some sentence are
yes,
motivate.
this time this is important for getting success. Also we do practice. So this is important for us. And lastly, I would suggest you do practice and get success in our life. So this is important for us. Thank you.